What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat in Italian? Cosa vuoi mangiare? Cosa vuoi mangiare means what do you want to eat? Here, cosa means what. Vuoi means you want. Mangiare means to eat. So we can say cosa vuoi mangiare. Cosa vuoi mangiare means what do you want to eat? Then what music do you like? What music do you like in Italian? Che musica ti piace? Che musica ti piace means what music do you like? Here, che means what? Musica means music. Ti means you. Piace means like. So we can say che musica ti piace? What music do you like? Then, where are we going? Where are we going in Italian? Dove siamo diretti? Dove siamo diretti means where are we going? Where are we going here? Dove means where, siamo means we, diretti means going. So we can say dove siamo diretti means where are we going? Dove siamo diretti? Then, is that all? Is that all in Italian? È tutto qui? È tutto qui means is that all? Okay? Here, è means is, tutto means all, qui means that. So we can say è tutto qui means is that all? È tutto qui? Then why aren't you replying in Italian? Perché non rispondi? Perché non rispondi means why aren't you replying? Here, perché means why, non means not, rispondi means you replying. So we can say perché non rispondi means why aren't you replying? Then, did you talk to him? Did you talk to him in Italian? Hai parlato con lui? Hai parlato con lui means did you talk to him? Here, I means you. Parlato means talk. So you can say hai parlato. Did you talk? Con lui. To him. Okay? Then, when will you arrive? When will you arrive in Italian? Quando arrivi. Quando arrivi means when will you arrive? Quando arrivi. Here, quando means when. Arrivi means you arrive. So we can say quando arrivi means when will you arrive? Then, how do you feel? How do you feel in Italian? Come ti senti? Come ti senti means how do you feel? Come ti senti? How do you feel? Here, come means how, ti means you, senti means feel. So we can say come ti senti? Come ti senti? How do you feel? Then, why were you laughing? Why were you laughing in Italian? Perché ridevi? Perché ridevi means why were you laughing? Here, perché means why. Ridevi means you laughing. So we can say perché ridevi means why were you laughing? Then, are you missing something? Are you missing something in Italian? Ti manca qualcosa? Ti manca qualcosa means are you missing something? Here, ti means you, manca means missing, qualcosa means something. So we can say ti manca qualcosa means are you missing something? Ti manca qualcosa? Then, where did you put the keys? Where did you put the keys in Italian? Dove hai messo le chiavi? Dove hai messo le chiavi means where did you put the keys? Here, dove means where, hai messo means you put. Le chiavi means the keys. So we can say dove hai messo le chiavi? Where did you put the keys? Then, did you bring everything? Did you bring everything in Italian? Hai portato tutto? Hai portato tutto means did you bring everything? Here, hai portato means did you bring? Tutto means everything. So we can say hai portato tutto means did you bring everything? Hai portato tutto. Then, why are you angry? Why are you angry in Italian? Perché sei arrabbiato? Perché sei arrabbiato means why are you angry? Here, perché means why. Sei means you. Arrabbiato means angry. So we can say perché sei arrabbiato. Why are you angry? Then, who is coming today? Who is coming today in Italian? Chi viene oggi? Chi viene oggi means who is coming today. Here, chi means who. Viene means coming. Oggi means today. So we can say chi viene oggi means who is coming today. Then, what do you do for work? What do you do for work in Italian? Che lavoro fai? Che lavoro fai means what do you do for work? Here, che means what. Lavoro means work. Fai means you do. So we can say che lavoro fai? What do you do for work? Che lavoro fai? Then, what is the problem? What is the problem in Italian? Qual è il problema? Qual è il problema means what is the problem? Here, qual means what. A means is. Il problema means the problem. So we can say qual è il problema means what is the problem. Then, how's the weather? How's the weather in Italian? Come il tempo. Come il tempo means how's the weather. Here, come means how's. Il tempo means the weather. So we can say come il tempo means how's the weather. Come il tempo. How's the weather? Then, why aren't you coming? Why aren't you coming in Italian? Perché non vieni? Perché non vieni means why aren't you coming? Here, perché means why. Non means not. Vieni means you coming. So we can say perché non vieni? Why aren't you coming? Then, who do I need to talk to? Who do I need to talk to in Italian? A chi devo parlare? A chi devo parlare means who do I need to talk to? Okay? Here, a chi means who. Devo means I need. Parlare means to talk. So we can say a chi devo parlare. Who do I need to talk to? Then, why did you say that? Why did you say that in Italian? Perché hai detto così? Perché hai detto così means why did you say that? Here, perché means why. Hai detto means did you say. Così means that. So we can say perché hai Detto means why did you say that? If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.